So I've been working on the annotated reading, and you can see we have the questions. Ooh, it did that gray highlight. Ugh. Gotta make that transparent. Okay. And then we put in, when I looked at it, there was a question there with this, and that question did fit with that section. And then the next paragraph, and I usually like a picture, but they really didn't have any for this one. This question went with this one, so I put it on this slide. This one has two questions. One is a fill in the blank. They give you choices, but you have this fill in the blank thing. So I'm going to show you how to transfer that over, and then another question. So one, I hate it because we don't have a whole lot of room here. So I think I'm going to have to put this question over here, and I might add one because they're comparing two things. But here I am, I got to do a fill in the blank. So first I need to paste in the question. So here's the thing, I cut and paste from there, and there's a blank. At high altitudes, there is blank amount of oxygen than lower altitudes than at sea level. So there is, and now I need to leave a space for the kids to type. They also gave them word choices. So I want to give the kids word choices. So I'm going to need to leave a space in here to do that. Now, usually with word choices, I make it smaller. I put it in parentheses. Now, the choices they had are more or less the same amount of. So I'm going to go over here and say more, less, the same amount of. So obviously I accidentally left some of it in there. So these are the choices that they have for that blank for this question. I wonder if altitude can go over it. Nope, it can't. So sorry, I deleted the return. I want it to be spaced just right. That's one thing I'm persnickety about. So we have this here ready for the kids to be able to write in. Okay, now I got to give them a space to write. So again, here's the text box, text placeholder. Whoops, I double clicked on that. Sorry, guys. And I can draw in the exact size I want. So I only want a little one. And as long as the words are there, it's fine. Again, orange, 3 dotted lines. So this gives kids a place to do it. Now I hate that it's running over the O a little bit, so I'm going to move it in slightly. But if I see how many letters are here, the same amount of could fit in there, though it's the wrong answer. Okay? Now, all of these things are here, and sometimes I put annotated readings like these in my teacher notebook. Sometimes I don't, depending on how I'm feeling about it. But again, to put it in here, close it. Oops, I'm on that slide. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. And again, look, the kids can't manipulate that, but they can click in the box and write in it. I like to put a space in it so it gets rid of the gross stuff in there. It just looks cleaner. And they see it if with the space in it, it just looks cleaner that way. My special ed co-teacher prefers me to do annotated readings with just one paragraph per page to annotate or answer a question for, to help our special ed kids not have to focus on too much at once. So that's his preference. And he likes for me to copy over from this version so we can write in it over on the teacher version. If you don't want to, you can just go and take a picture of it like this and drop it in your teacher version and just then not be able to write in it.